Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sainte-Aurelie is a small municipality in the Beauce-Sartiguin region in southern Quebec. It is located in the Chaudière-Appalaches region, close to the border with the state of Maine in the United States. Today, the population is just over 1,000 people. The municipality is known for its rural landscape, forestry industry, agricultural traditions, and strong connection to the larger Beauce region. The area was first settled during the 19th century as families moved into southern Quebec searching for farmland and economic opportunity. Like many nearby communities, Sainte-Aurelie developed slowly through agriculture and logging. Settlers cleared forests by hand, built homes and barns, and created the first roads connecting the area to neighboring towns. The municipality was officially established in the late 1800s and was named in honor of Sainte-Aurélie, a Christian saint recognized in Catholic tradition. Religion played an important role in the daily lives of residents for many generations. The parish church became the center of social and community life, serving not only as a place of worship, but also as a gathering point for important events and celebrations. Forestry became one of the most important industries in Sainte-Aurelie and the surrounding region. The dense forests of southern Quebec supported sawmills, logging camps, and wood processing operations that provided employment for local residents. Timber from the region was used in construction and manufacturing across Quebec and beyond. Forestry remains an important part of the economy today, although modern technology has changed the industry significantly over time. Agriculture also continues to shape the identity of Sainte-Aurelie. Dairy farms, cattle farming, and maple syrup production are common throughout the countryside. Quebec is the largest producer of maple syrup in the world, and communities like Sainte-Aurelie are part of that long tradition. During the spring sugar season, maple production becomes one of the most recognizable activities across the region. Because of its location near the American border, Sainte-Aurelie has historically maintained close connections with nearby communities in Maine. Trade, travel, and cross-border commerce have influenced the region for many decades. Roads connecting Quebec and the northeastern United States helped local industries move goods more efficiently and contributed to economic growth throughout southern Quebec. The surrounding natural environment is one of the defining features of the area. Forested hills, rivers, and rural landscapes make the region popular for outdoor recreation. Snowmobiling is especially important during the winter months, with extensive trail systems crossing through the Beauce region. During warmer seasons, residents and visitors enjoy hiking, fishing, camping, and hunting in the nearby forests and countryside. Today, Sainte-Aurelie remains a quiet and close-knit municipality that reflects the traditions and culture of rural Quebec. Its history is tied to agriculture, forestry, faith, and entrepreneurship. While the community has adapted to modern changes, it continues to preserve many of the values and traditions that shaped the Beauce region for generations. Thanks for watching!